Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of number 1, you got 0. First derivative of x to the power of 3 over 2. We have 3 over 2x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1 dx. This one we have 1 over 2, and that is about the square root of x. Next, because we don't have 3 over 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by 3 over 2. So this one we change by u. The square root of x dx we change by this one. So the integration of du over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.